morning, honorable Prime Ministers and teachers. We are the students of St. Andrew's School and we are going to represent our thoughts on the topic Vocal for Local in front of you. So, I am delighted to be the part of today's discussion on the topic Vocal for Local. So, to begin with, I must say that Vocal for Local program is an initial step taken by the Government of India to give them chance for local industries to maintain themselves and develop themselves by helping them financially. At last, I would like to say, buy local, build nation. Jai Hind.
Vocal for Local is not merely about buying products made in India. It is about passionately promoting, actively supporting and taking immense pride in our indigenous goods, services and brands.
India is globally renowned for its unique handicrafts, handlooms in traditional art forms. These Asian art skills are often passed on to generations.
The movement ensures that our skilled artisans and craftsmen have a market for their products, helping them sustain their livelihoods and preventing the decline of invaluable cultural heritage.
When you buy local bottle, local meat, you are preserving a piece of India's history. Go local, go home.
Atmanirbhar Bharat starts from you. Thank you.